Hello friends, today we are going to make a data entry form in Excel. So this is a very easy. So let's start. So first of all we will need to open a new file. Okay, I have just opened it. So let's add some entries into it. I will do some entries like serial number, company name, and I want a description about the company, and for the category of company we need this, and let's work next. What we want is a website of the company, and then I want a bit of information about the CEO of the company. Let's add the CEO name and CEO name, and then we have the LinkedIn URL we need a LinkedIn URL of a CEO, and the personal email address of the CEO. So that's perfect, I think. Let's do some column adjustment. It's perfect. Next one, now make it, I want to select it and make it bold. That's perfect. Now we need to add a form in this, so just you need to select all the column in the first row and go into the insert tab. Here it is. Insert tab, you will see a third option, which is named label as table. Okay, just click on it. You will see a dialog box open. Just tick that my table has header. Okay, perfect, you have done. Now we need to add a form in it. It's very simple. Go to file, then go to options. Here you come to customize ribbon. Okay, in customize ribbon I will select the second option, commands, not in the ribbon. Okay, just select it and you will see a list of options. I will look for category form. Yes, I want to add this in the main tabs, but before this I want to add a new tab. Okay, I just click on the new tab and new tab is created. I want to rename it, so just select it and select rename. Okay friends, I will name it as data entry. Perfect. Okay, so now I can move it. Okay, oh, it shows a dialog box that you cannot add the custom group. So I have to select a new group, then I have to add this. Okay, it's perfect, it's done, and I just need to okay. So friend, you can see a new tab is created by the name of data entry. I just have to go here and select choice. Perfect, we have got it. We have created our data entry form. Let's make one entry in it. Here number 1, I will need some information. Let's say the company name is ABC company. Description is a pharmaceutical company. Category is pharmaceutical. Website www.abc.com. CEO name it's Mr. John. LinkedIn URL you will need it from the LinkedIn, and email address. I am not putting that all information, and I will click the new. Here it is. You can see that entry is created. See friend, how it is easy was that. So you can also do that. I think you have learned a lot today. We will learn something new in the next video. Hope you like it. So just subscribe my channel and like the video so I can have something more for you.